Okay, let's get rid of the belly bloat. Summer's coming, right? So here are my favorite products to get rid of belly bloat. And I want to tell you something. There is nothing more miserable than feeling bloated, especially after a meal or, oh gosh, maybe you go to put on your favorite pants, your, favorite shorts from last summer and they're too tight. Well, I can help you with that. And here's the product I recommend. I love, love, love our Green Synergy. This is a Green Synergy. It was designed from our Green Gut Glow, and I'll talk about that in another video. But it was designed with that in mind. 3 products in one little packet. So convenient. When you're traveling this summer, going to the beach, you want to add these in your luggage and take them with you because I know how it is when we're at the beach. We're drinking more, having margaritas, eating more sugar. Even if you don't drink alcohol, you're eating more sugar and more junk food. That's just kind of like, I don't know, it just comes with the territory. So this Green Gut Glow Green Synergy shot is going to do several things. Number 1, it's going to help you with your belly bloat. Number 2, it's going to help you with your hair, skin, and nails. Love that. It's got some hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid is great for a collagen builder for the skin. It's got some biotin, which is great for the shine of your hair and the growth of your nails. So I love that. It has probiotic in it, which is going to help with the gut puffiness and it's going to help with a healthy gut. It has a digestive aid in it, so it's going to help you digest your food. I like to take mine mid-afternoon. I've had lunch. Maybe I haven't had as many greens today. So this has 12 fruits and vegetables in it, which is also great for overall health. I mix it in 8 ounces of water. Why is it that when you're on video, it seems like it comes out slower? And then I'm going to mix it up, and I just like to use a little frother. Leave plenty of room in the glass. Can you see that? So that it doesn't froth over. Cheers. And then I drink it. I actually like it a little colder, so I'm going to add some ice before I drink the whole thing, but I wanted to show it to you. It has a nice citrusy taste. It's actually very good. Not bad at all. Okay, but just remember, it's a greens drink, okay? You just have to remember it's a greens drink. So if you've been looking for a good tasting greens drink, that's the one. Now, if you want to add a little bit of weight management to this, maybe you want to shed a few more pounds, then I would definitely add our Essential Meal Replacement Protein. This has 24 grams of protein made from pea, rice, and cranberry, so it's a healthy vegan protein. I'm not a vegan, and if you are a vegan, you will love this. Even if you're not a vegan, you'll love it because you're getting a variety of other proteins, which is healthy, especially for women, At my age, and yes, I am aging. In fact, I'm going to get my first Social Security check this month. Whoop, whoop. I have a birthday month. So that's exciting, isn't it? Wow. Celebrate. I worked all those years for that. But this Essential Meal Replacement is delicious. It's creamy. It has avocado oil in it. It is the only protein on the market that has avocado oil in it. It comes in chocolate and vanilla. And like I've said before, the chocolate is very chocolatey. So if you're a chocolate fan, you will love it. I prefer the vanilla. I like chocolate. I'm just not a real big chocolate fan. I know I'm weird. But this is really, really good. You can add fruit to it. You can add some vegetables to it if you want. Make it a delicious drink. Love, love, love our meal replacement shake. So combine those together. I'm going to put a recommended cart in the description here for these 2 products so that you can grab them and go. I'm going to also put in a code so that you can get 10% off. Be sure you do that. You can also register as a preferred client, and as a preferred client, you get 20% off on your every order. You get free shipping on every order that has a QV value of $150, and it will tell you the QV value. You can see that in your cart. And you get a free product on your subsequent orders. So that's really, really awesome. So we have a great preferred client program. And what I love about it is that you don't have to order every single month to get that 20% off. We also have a Replenish Me program, which you can click the Replenish Me and get a free gift with every $100 order and free shipping. And after your fourth order, get a $50 rebate on your order. So what? Lots of great perks in being a part of the Arbonne family. So check it out. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'd love to chat with you. Any questions you have, let me know, and I will answer them. Thanks.